Do we do the picture?
Do we do a picture, guys?
Okay, there we go. Okay, guys.
Wait,
welcome back to another
Hey guys,
video.
welcome to
I think my sport gas really made him sick.
I'm helping again. We're opening number 3, day 3 of our mini binders with 2 packs and a special pack.
I never gone first opening these, so I think it's my turn.
And there's a special pack in
Yeah,
here
I opened
called
first.
Sun and
I
Moon.
opened last time.
Sun and Moon Crimson
I'll open
Invasion.
first.
It's a very
You open
special
second.
package.
I'll open last. Okay.
There's actually 2 really special packs: Sun, Moon, Crimson Invasion, and Forbidden Light.
It's so funny. We can find Crimson Invasion anywhere, and it's 2017. But we can't find Forbidden Light anywhere.
And Forbidden Light's 2018. It's newer.
Yeah, it's newer than
And-
3. It's actually 3 years old. But do we have a with her open? 4 years. Might as well make this a little fashion video. Come to me.
Yes.
I'll be second. On the road to 1K. First pack. We're on the road to 1K. When we hit 1K, we're gonna be doing lots and 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 lots of white code cards. And giveaway.
Of white code cards.
Yep. And giveaway. We could give away cards. We maybe give away a mini 10, maybe. Because we have lots of mini 10s. We could buy 10,000 code cards and give it to one lucky person. But they're probably all used, but who knows? Oh, okay. You guys don't see anything, okay? There's a really dark card in there.
I don't see anything.
Whee! Oh my god. Whee! Okay, okay. Is
that
energy?
Did they
Colors
guys
energy.
tell me in the comments section?
Steel Tank, Pumpkin Boo, Sandalite, Feebas, Keybone, Shellos, Reversal Hamamoto, and a Kartana GX. I have sleeves. And it's
Very
another
nice.
Kartana. And it's another Ultra Beast on me.
Merch. What you got?
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
What do you mean? I haven't even opened my Forbidden Light yet.
Tries to steal.
He's trying to steal the camera while I haven't even opened my
He's
Forbidden
trying
Light
to
yet.
steal Jago's 10 seconds of fame.
Yeah, my 10 seconds of fame. RIP my 10 seconds of fame.
Bruh, his 10 seconds of fame.
My 10 seconds of fame. Hello, Merrick. What's the rare?
In today's video,
Here's
you may or
Hall,
may not be able to.
Leo.
Comment.
Marowak.
Rip his 10 seconds
Energy,
of fame.
Go-Go, Bonnie, Grabite, Magnemite, Really Bad, Whole
You can
Name,
play
and
now?
a Bottle Bay. On the May.
For real
I at least
this
got my
time.
10 seconds of fame.
So, Anki, are you ready for your 10 seconds of fame?
5 seconds of fame.
1.
Okay, guys, on my pack, because I'm smart and I'm not dumb and I'm. Wait, I have something. I'm folded for midnight. The pack have not pulled a rare GX.
There's your 10 seconds of fame. Thank you.
We've
Mom.
only got white code cards from, we got 1 white code card from Forbidden Light. Come on, one of us guys pulled something good from Forbidden Light. We
Casually
only pulled
throw
hollows
stuff.
from Forbidden Light.
Casually steal stuff.
We got Water Energy, Hollow Shell.
Come on, I can show it.
Stop. Stop peeking!
Casually peeks.
Yes, sir.
No, okay, don't worry.
Peeking red pad.
Oh my gosh, it is a peeking red card. Wait, Jago, red card for peeking.
I'm gonna just bring that out.
Red card for peeking.
Kinko,
You got some.
Weedle, Cubone, Sandile, Feebas for his helmet card.
Oh,
Ooh.
sandal aisle.
And on to you.
Wait, what? But you have another pack.
I'm opening it last. I'm opening it last.
You have to be able to open it.
I don't care. I'm opening it last.
I dare drink over Forbidden Light first.
Hey guys, so I was dared.
Triple dog dare you. Open Forbidden Light first.
I have to open Forbidden Light now first because they dared me to.
Triple dog dare you. Yeah, I triple dog. For those
I
dares.
could either watch paint dry or open this pack first, and I decided to open this
R.I.P.
pack first.
We're still in Drake's pack. Anki's pack.
To
We've
get-
not pulled a. We've gotten white code cards. We've gotten white code cards.
Okay, we got Batman Energy, a
Diggersby.
what? Yep, a Hello Ski,
Magneton.
Pancho, Helopter, Furoki, Skidoo,
I was gonna ask, do you need help, but I don't care.
Filet
Baby.
Bebe, okay.
There's Heloptile.
I did Aegis Slash.
Now, why did you open this first? Oh yeah, you got it there.
I got this triple dog there. It was either open that first.
Luck of the luck of
No,
the luck.
no luck, no luck.
I gave him luck of the butt.
I don't want luck.
Hey, I got. Yeah, you only got a hollow in the right code card, right? So, yes. Yeah, so why not the G? I'm the one who pulled the GX.
Yeah, man.
I still want him to pull just a hollow.
You wait, Anki's.
I sniffed him. Okay.
Sometimes I feel like I'm in a house of Growlithe.
Growlithe?
Sometimes I feel like I am with it. In a
You
house
mean the
of
evolution Growlithe? Ready, wait, code card. Let's watch, stop!
1, 2, 3, 4. Put them to the front. There we go, guys. We got a electric energy, Miltank, Kakuna, Alsacor, Stuffle,
Hollow energy.
People Peeking, Magikarp, Remoraid, Mankey. Do I have to go pull out the
hollow.
Peeking red card?
hollow.
Magnemo, Reverse Hollow Feebas, and a hollow Xerneas.
Hey, at least I got ready for the white code card.
On to me.
Hollow Xerneas.
On to me.
Here you go.
I like sniffing them.
Wait, what? See, I live in a house of Arcanines, guys. Save me, please.
You're just gonna do a fucking slide on the fact after you're weak.
Woo. Hold on.
Wait a minute. Something
Wait,
ain't
Anki.
right.
I got something.
Ring, ding, 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 ding,
Um,
ding, ding, ding,
Wait, what? Oh, you got it on green. Who knew?
Come on,
Give
we
that
need-
one
we
back
need
just in
something good.
case.
Come on, we need something good. We need something good. Come on, we need something good. We need something good. We need something good.
Got Bumby thing.
Hey, I know this person. Bonnie. Bonnie.
Carbide.
Alright. I don't
Froakie.
even know how to say names. I'm kidding.
Squirtle. Fabebe. Gibble. Rockruff. We got a energy. And a hollow.
Infernate.
We only get hollows from these.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you in the next
See you
one.
in the next one, and
on
thank
the
you for
road to
watching.
1K for giveaways. Bye.
I got some extra.
Bye.
drinks. Oh.